What is a case in Croatian? Many people are afraid of Croatian cases. A case changes the ending of a noun, depending on its job in the sentence. It's not scary. Think of it like changing clothes for different occasions. The noun is still the same person, but it just wears different endings. The nominative case, let's take that one. It's the subject. Ivan is the subject. Ivan je gladan. Ivan is hungry. Let's look at Mia. Mia is the subject. Mia je gladna. Mia is hungry. Gladan for males, gladna for females. So the nominative case deals with the subject, and the feminine nouns end in A. Look at Machka. It means cat, and it ends in A. Pus is dog. It ends in a consonant. So masculine nouns end in a consonant in the subject case. Now the neuter ends in E, so we have more, the C ending in E, or the neuter ends in O. Pivo. Pivo is beer. It ends in O. So E or O are neuter endings. Kuća je plava. The house is blue. A endings. Kuća, the house. Je is. Plava, blue. Now masculine endings, they end in a consonant. Brod je plav. The ship is blue. More je plavo. This is neuter. Remember, neuter ends in E or O. More je plavo. The sea is blue. Keep a watch on my next videos following this one. We're going to be dealing with all the cases, and they aren't scary. The next one is the accusative case. What does the noun do in the accusative case? What's its job? Would you like to learn Croatian with me? Well, have a look in the comments, and I'm leaving my special offer in there today. Don't forget to subscribe.